Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Long Termer. In this video, I will be talking to you about a 2012 Mahindra Scorpio EX variant, which has been customized appearance-wise from base model to the top-end variant. Let me just show you the before and after pictures of the car. Notice all the differences that has been done to the front end of the car. The side view of the car. In the latter part of the video, I will be telling you in detail customized options that have been done to the car. And for starters, all this has been done by Mahindra itself. For prices of this customization, kindly watch the entire video. The owner's manual is one of the proof that I am not fooling anyone. Let me just show you a detailed walk around of the car. Even in the back end, you can see subtle changes that are done to the car. On the left hand side, you can see the M-Hawk stickering, which was only available in the top end VLX variant. On the right side, you can see the EX variant's badging. The micro hybrid system comes as standard in the car. Below the number plate, you can see claddings all around. Here you can see spoiler with high mounted stop lamp. Reverse parking camera with 4 ultrasonic sensors. Here you can observe that the cladding runs all around the car. It even continues to the sideways of the car. You can have a look at the cladding. Now, let me show you the side look of the car. Here, the changes include a repainted body door handle along with repainted ORVM. Now coming to the wheels of the car, here you get the standard 15-inch steel rims along with steel wheel cap. You can even see Scorpio's embossing on the side cladding. Even the foot peg is not the same of the EX variant. The M-Hawk stickering on the side door, the engine name, the cladding, now coming to the front end of the car. Here you can see the front grille is also painted to the body color. Even the bumpers used to come in the black standard color. Even the fog lamps are part of the accessory. On the bonnet, you can observe that there is a provision for air circulation, but here it is non-functional. It is a standard part of the variant. On the roof, you can observe that there are roof spoilers, which are also part of the accessory. That's it from the exterior of the car. Now, let's check out the interiors of the car. The car has got a 7-seater seating configuration. On the back door, you can see 2 Sony Explode aftermarket speakers. These are the 2 jump seats. It can even be folded once not in use. Here you have 2 high mounted stop lamps. One comes standard in the vehicle. The window area. You can even open the glass area of the third row seat, as back in here you don't get any sort of AC vents. Here you can even see a provision for the opening of the fuel lid. Now let's check out the second row of seats. Here you can see that there are controls for the power windows, which are not standard and is part of this customization. You don't get any sort of handrest, but the headrests are height adjustable. The legroom is ample enough. These are the rear AC vents. You can even switch it off. There are even provision for 2 bottle holders. This is the dashboard of the car. Now coming to the front row. On driver's side door, you can see adjustments for all the 4 power windows. Adjustments for the ORVM, which are manual. These power windows are part of the customization by Mahindra. The seats, adjustments for the headlight. These are the pedals. You don't get any sort of footrest. The steering wheel, the instrumental console. You get cubby holes and cup holders. This is the 5-speed manual transmission. You get a manual air conditioner. Aftermarket stereo. The bonnet opener. Let's check out the engine bay of the car. This is the 2523cc diesel engine. It produces 75 brake horsepower and is very loud. The headlights and fog lamps of the car when illuminated. 2 high-mounted stop lamps, one which is a part of the customization with the spoiler. The reverse parking camera. It even has guidelines. This is not a part of the customization. That's it with the customization. The overall cost incurred for this customization is Rs 1 lakh. Likewise, in the current gen Scorpio SY variant also, you can go for such customization which makes the car more appealing. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for seeing the ownership and drive review of this car. Thanks for watching.